We are able to provide this content thanks to your generous support of our sponsors: AfricanApparelBrand.com, AfricanLearners.org, IsleOfAfricaBrand.com, and RespectWomanBrand.com.
And what's happening here in the United States that has caused a tremendous transformation in the culture of mathematics in general is something that's called the CPA approach. For those who might not know, CPA approach stands for Concrete, Pictorial, and Abstract. If you would please do some independent research on the CPA approach, you'll understand why there's a change in the way mathematics is being done here in the United States. It's also the reason why Common Core is being implemented here in the United States. Again, CPA stands for Concrete, Pictorial, and Abstract. And if you go here, this is what concrete is. Concrete is simply toys. Today they call them manipulatives, but we call them toys because we want to make sure that the language is easy to understand to the learners. And we also want to make sure that they enjoy mathematics. So terminology is very important. So here we use the term toys, and this is actually these are called tally sticks. These tally sticks are made out of ivory, and they actually belong to King Tut. Africans throughout the entire continent of Africa have used counters or concrete objects to teach mathematics for thousands of years. And now it seems as if the world is returning to the methods that were used in ancient Africa and antiquity. Here we have other tally sticks. These tally sticks actually have carvings of African people on them. It's very hard to find images and pictures of these tally sticks, but they again belong to King Tut. And they were found in his tomb. And these are the methods that we use to teach math over the course of thousands of years. And that's what we'll be returning to with the African math, the African numeracy program. The other part of African numeracy, well, actually of the CPA approach, is pictorial. The pictorial approach basically means that you have to have something you can draw. So you have concrete, which is touch, and then you have pictorial, which is to draw. And again, for thousands of years, Africans have been using drawings to represent quantities. And this is very effective when it comes to addition and subtraction, and also something called subatizing. If you would look subatizing up, subatizing means to be able to count quickly by simply seeing a group of objects and not having to take our time to count one at a time, but being able to count groups of objects. And again, African numerals are the ideal method to use for a pictorial counting system. We've done extensive research on African numerals. We've learned how to utilize them in ways that make regrouping, adding and subtracting much easier than rote memorization and memorizing abstract symbols. And abstract is, as far as the part of CPA, is the numbers, it's the Hindu Arabic numbers that we use every day. Those Hindu Arabic numerals are meant for notation, but they offer no value when it comes to calculation. Where if you look at the numbers on the screen, the tally sticks represent units or ones, and the curved object represents it represents tens. So now there's a picture that learners will use to actually count according to place value.
And I'm going to teach you how to do some African math. So I just started on some of the numbers, left it off, but now we're going to show you the fun part. And it's gonna be really fun. So, 3 tens, I got it. And 2 ones. Got it. So, and
What do we call 3 tens?
10, 20, 30.
Okay.
30.
Excellent.
1, 2, 3, 4. So now we got 4. But now we need to add 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. So now we're going to do another one. It's going to be really fun. 10, 20, 30, 1, and a kumi 5.
Nice. One more.
And we're going to do. We've been waiting for this one. 3 against 3. 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3. Now we got 30. 10, 20, 30, 30. 33.
That is excellent. You're correct. Great job.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us in this lesson. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow us on our social media platforms: youtube.com/AfricanMath, facebook.com/AfricanMath, instagram.com/AfricanMath, and africanmath.com. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time.